How to get Azure Dust transformation spell in Black Myth Wukong. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to get the Azure Dust transformation spell in Black Myth Wukong. This powerful spell can enhance your gameplay significantly. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to acquire it, so let's get started. First, you need to progress through the main storyline until you reach the area known as the Azure Mist Valley. This is where you'll encounter the necessary quest that leads to obtaining the Azure Dust transformation spell. Make sure to follow the main quest line closely. Once you're in the Azure Mist Valley, look for the NPCs that offer side quests. You will need to complete specific tasks that relate to the Azure Dust. Pay attention to the dialogues as they provide clues about what you need to do. Completing these quests often requires battling enemies or collecting items, so be prepared for some action. As you complete the quests, make sure to collect Azure Dust. You'll need a certain amount to activate the transformation spell. This dust can be found throughout the valley, especially from defeated enemies, so keep an eye out for glowing spots where the dust might spawn. After gathering enough Azure Dust, head back to the main NPC associated with the quest and they will guide you through the final steps to unlock the Azure Dust transformation spell. Follow the prompts to activate the spell in your spellbook. And that's it, you now have the Azure Dust transformation spell at your disposal in Black Myth Wukong. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Happy gaming and thanks for watching.